In English, we use the word the a lot. In fact, it's one of the most common words in the English language. It's an article, which means that it comes just before the noun, sometimes. There are lots of occasions when we don't need to use the word the, and that's what we're going to be learning about today. Misusing the article the is a very common mistake with non-native English speakers, and it can really confuse the meaning of your sentence. I hope after today's lesson you will feel confident in using it correctly. We use the word the when talking about something specific. You might say, don't forget to bring the coat. If you'd discussed bringing a specific coat before. It would be strange to say, don't forget to bring the coat, if you hadn't discussed it before, or if you meant for them to bring any coat, not a specific one. Then you might say, don't forget to bring a coat, or don't forget to bring your coat. Oh, what a lovely restaurant. I've never been here before. Yeah, it's my favourite. We come here all the time. I always have the spaghetti. Delicious. The spaghetti. She's talking about a specific spaghetti. The spaghetti on the menu at this one restaurant. This tells us that when she's here at this restaurant, she always orders this specific spaghetti. But what if we don't say the word the? Oh, what a lovely restaurant. I've never been here before. Yeah, it's my favourite. We come here all the time and I always have spaghetti. Okay, it's a bit of a strange example, but by leaving out the word the, you refer to spaghetti in general. So what does that mean? Do you eat spaghetti for every meal? Do you carry around spaghetti so you always have it? We'll never know. Using the word the tells us that you really love this restaurant's spaghetti specifically. I have lots of t-shirts. The t-shirt I'm wearing today is red. Do you see how when I was talking about t-shirts in general, I missed out the article? I have lots of t-shirts. But when I wanted to talk about this specific t-shirt, I included the article. The t-shirt I'm wearing today is red. Now, when we're talking about something generally, with no article, we always use the plural form of the word. For example, you have lovely clothes, or you play great songs. However, when we're talking about a specific thing, it could be singular or plural depending on the context. For example, if a teacher said to a student, you forgot to bring the books, she would be referring to multiple specific books that they needed. But if she said, you forgot to bring the book, it would still be a specific book, but only one. So, I hope that now you feel very confident using the word the correctly. Are there any other articles that you find difficult? Or words and phrases that you often say but don't feel confident about whether you're using them correctly? If so, let me know in the comments below so I can help you. Now, if you have a spare few minutes, why not jump onto one of these lessons? See you soon. Bye.